Dear students, today we see about chemical bonding and the molecular structure. So in this lecture we see about introductory part, what is meant by this chemical bonding and what is the molecular structure. So this chemical bonding is the fundamental attractive force holding atoms together to form the stable molecules and the compounds. So it is the chemical bonding. Yeah, it is a type of the it is a some type of the force present between the atoms of the molecules or the compounds in the compounds, the atoms present in the compounds. So we get molecule or the compound if these atoms are held together at a definite distance to each other. We get molecules, we get compounds. So this force it is called as, or this type of the phenomenon, it is called as chemical bonding, or it is a fundamental attractive force. So this force it is driven by the tendency of the atoms of the every atoms to achieve the stable electron configurations. It means it fulfill upon it full its octet in the last valence cell and it gets or it goes in the stable state. So it involves like the electrons through mechanisms like the electron transfer. It may be the ionic or the sharing. It is called as covalent. So in this chapter there is a important concepts. There are some important concepts which includes that is a Lewis structure, molecular geometry, hybridization, which determines the 3D shape, properties and the stability of the molecules. For the formation of the chemical bond or in the chemical bonding, every atom it has its tendency to get stable as early as possible. So they become stable by the fulfilling their valence electronic configurations, or they can share their electrons to the other atom, or they can take electrons from the other atoms and the goes in the stable electronic configurations, and there is a formation of the different types of the bonds between the atoms takes place. So we can say that in chemical bonding there is a strong attractive force that binds the atoms, ions or the molecules together. Now what is the purpose of this bonding? Is atoms bonds to achieve lower energy states and greater stability by completing their valence shell by the octet rule. So there are the different by this chemical bonding there is a different types of the chemical bonds are the formation of the different types of the chemical bonds are the takes place by the donating, sharing, or the different types of the uh, force of attractions between the molecules.